To crochet the ears in place, you're gonna want the back of the ear to touch the back of the head. The 2 stitches we're gonna be working on are the 2 stitches flanking the stitch that you tied off. So we are gonna go into this first stitch here. You're gonna find the next stitch in the head. You're gonna go through that and complete a single stitch as normal. The tail from tying off the ear can just fall into the middle of the head. We're gonna go ahead and go into the second stitch of the ear and go into the second stitch of the head. Those are the 2 stitches getting your ear in place. You're gonna have the original yarn from the ear that's gonna touch the back of the head. This tail here can just stay outside of the back of the head. We will work this through later. The other tail is just gonna fall into the middle of the head. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and tie the ears in place, and we're gonna get these strings out of the way here. You're gonna take your darning needle and thread it through. I'm gonna go through one of the loops of the bottom of the ear here, and I'm gonna tuck it straight into the head. Okay? So now both of the tails from the ear are inside the head, and I'm just gonna tie that in a knot. That is gonna help the ear from not moving out of place. Okay? And we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. So take your yarn tail, thread it through that darning needle. You're gonna pick one of these little bottom loops to go through. And we're gonna tuck it straight into the back of the head. Take your 2 ear yarn tails, tie a knot. Now, your ears are in place, and there's no more yarn tails at the back of the head.